Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be going over adding file storage services to your Inhouz Cloud account. So to get to the file storage services, all I need to do is click on file storage service from the main menu. File storage services are basically native integrations between Inhouz Cloud and file storage services such as AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob Storage. To add a new service, all you need to do is click on the Create File Storage Service button. Give it a name. So let's say this is Test Storage. You can call it whatever you want. Give it a description. So we do integrate with the three major file storage service providers: AWS S3, Azure Blob Storage, and Google Cloud Storage. Now, depending on which one you're trying to set up, there will be different fields that are required. So for S3, we're going to need the AWS access key ID, the secret access key, the AWS region, and the bucket name. For Azure Blob Storage, we need the Azure Storage account key, we need the Blob SaaS URL, and we need the container name. And for Google Cloud Storage, it's the one with the most requirements. We do need the project ID, the storage bucket name, the private key ID, the private key, the client X509 certs URL, client ID, and the client email. So with this one, it's usually a JSON file that you download whenever you configure your access, and you can get those fields from there. All right. So one thing you need to know is that all these credentials are encrypted and stored, and the database is also encrypted at rest. So there's the double encryption. And another good thing to know is that each account has its own unique encryption key. So we don't have a whole database filled with file storage services that are encrypted with the same key. So there is that extra additional layer of security. So I already have one setup here. It's an AWS S3. I named it S3 Sandbox. I'm not going to open it up because it's an actual service, and I do have that file storage service, that S3 bucket open here, and we're going to use this in future videos. So this is just the S3 buckets Inhouz Sandbox, and I've integrated and connected this S3 buckets S3 file storage service to my Inhouz Cloud account, and it's ready for use. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.